competition next door. We got that one back, we'll have it after. We'll have the last one. Bloody we're going to fall there, ain't we? Yeah, I think. I told you, yeah, down here. I know. It's male. You don't
How much is this one cost?
The dodo one.
2 for 20 quid.
Not bad. Get it! Hey man, it's touching you up again.
Sorry.
What?
That's his shoe, mate.
Oh, no, that's
Yeah,
no, sorry.
It was the garage now. There we now. Lost game. You're supposed to bury that one over there. 25 of them candles. Yeah. Yeah. 25 of them. That's alright. Go on, bud, with them there. I'm going to eat that. That's alright. Oh!
That was good, that one.